action. Also there will be projects you were part of it, right? For the filmmaking industries. I'm very thankful, like for filmmaking association here in the world district unit. Which was Krishna, and the Kamjam Man, they need not to present a discussion. They are doing a private service. You can change the role of the youth of the world. Be it unemployment, this film industry, the way the industry department, a unit where you can, give employment to a lot of artists. And artists also, they can be employed themselves. They can be, if you go to big setup. But if you come to the entrepreneurship, you know the definition of entrepreneurship, self-employment, giving comes up in a way. The Yiva Trek comes up, actually, Yiva Trek comes up, again, we were on Blair, Tempur, Nishim Kilopper Saka, Mishon, Mijo, Tambah struggle entrepreneurship lagi, kalau kemain lagi, I come here itu the main, success of I can say that human being in mankind. But beliau kamu serta bilang beliau situ ni, one of his sekolah ni pergi baca sendiri, kami, tentang ni boy office kerja kerja, habiskan, last up jual tentang untuk minjumin office, susah dia kelai siap layak sih. Sebenarnya layak tulak monte, layak panggu, simsli layak tulak, simsli dia berat, jap, apa senang jap tu gimana tu ni, pasti, layak tu, layak sih. Kamu menteri kamu serta lo gila ni, pipet orang untuk itu pada seperti siapa pun, dia boleh benar kan? Kita pun absen gue rumah, kamu ni film industri ni ada orang artis, gila apa kau ini rutin studio. We artists now use this work cancer for us. You lost in one year you lost many. That's why many projects in the popular industry fail. And this if you compare a government employee, a government job and for entrepreneurship, one of these industries compare. You have to put on a long term of industry going to entrepreneur will be paid. We compare with the government employee. No? Entrepreneur will slow. They always have to work hard. Não é por bem. O tempo lá está por trás de mim, a rápida de ramo que eu tenho na mão. Rápida, aqui pode ser que eu como kamu sekarang, kamu sekarang besok pada aja gitu. Negara orang mereka kamu sekarang, jadi deh, beli upah dia kamu sekarang. Jadi tahu, beli pimpin itu pun siapa itu tahu 10 minit bila bakla, utek sudah orang kamai, utek upah senjata untuk mencari uang, itu orang bukan nonton. Lapet tu pun dunia kamai bagus ni. Dan deh, nong punya bukan tu, kamu tahu apa customer. Nong dia cakap apa yang biar macam, bah, dia tu sakit pada timing real time depan tu customer, bila ada customer. That is a quality of entrepreneurship. They way of quality to move your government. The vast difference. The only who know the government employee to come out to them apart, but they, jadi yang lah. Dan lah, kalau kita pilih dulu, dulu apa ni? Realization no, kenapa? Ambani ni, Tata kenapa? Jadi ni, Birla, boleh, dia entrepreneur. Apa main lalu kita mau, dia pun apa mau nak mau, Mahindra dia, Stanley dia, Thai Brothers dia. These are all entrepreneurs. Mereka macam lah, heavy. Orang ini, bunuh dia IAS officer, kita mau ya. Kita kalau iwan hawi yang cakap, di lubang punya ustana belum ngajar dekat lagi. Tema kalian cuma kalau, macam dia kata, kalau yang pak, sentences, macam kau. Sawan mo po ang Kristong Pibangan. Kukuha ni sayot ko sa tabang ng tigre ng sukma ng ay kita ba wala layak the schemes not really not you like but there's so many in government setup we have pinya procedure rules guidelines is important tamba hindi ko ng labe dengan comment ko pay ko maganda ng headmission mo masan kira pura yo to but they're also searching for hope when you are not freedom. Then I appreciate you since you know what's not I will say the children it's always there for you and it's not about the artist it's not inborn talent even and there are one kind of talent training there may be institute all over India for the training institute where actor actress they groom themselves they grow up and then come to the platform. Depend the history on many actors who know the stuff of women who can't rock. Then the Tiapa, Ja, they don't make meal, but they are not crorepati, 1,000 crore money. Who knows? Because of the hard work. This is all your talent, inborn talent. So don't let it die. What I say, what you just make perfection every day. It's your inborn talent, in terms of skill. What we have is skill. What do you say? When you go speak in your soccer. From my end, like as an assistant from represent from the district group, I assisted to play the borough, and I wish you all the best. Come down the day, we work on make us a decision. All the best to you. I'm always there with you. If you need any help, from my even personal level, but I'll be agree. Whatever the Lakula is there, I'll try my best. And even then, and at least I request everybody here and come artists even if some funding comes or individual capacity, please do visit Film City in Hyderabad. And this is one of the area I see myself. I've gone there. That is a real city where the filmmakers should go once. Those who have visited, I think they know the facts. And also request for the youth, if they start a career for this also, these are the one platform you can see together.